Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Diana Garcia. In this video I am going to be doing a hair transformation on my client's hair. This is her hair starting out. As you can see, her hair is very pretty, very healthy, and we're going to be giving her a total transformation today. We're actually going to be doing highlights all over, and then we're going to be adding a purple color on top, so that she has a mix between black and purple hair all throughout. And so I did start out by just blow drying her hair so it could be stretched out and the bleach could really get in there. And so once her hair was stretched out, I sectioned the front sections away and started in the back. I did grab somewhat of thinner sections, or I tried to, just so that we could try to get as best of a lift as we could. And then I did just start highlighting, starting in the bottom and just working my way up. I am starting with 20 volume developer. I will say that my client's hair is at a level 1, so since her hair is black, I know that I probably won't get to a level 9 or even a 10. My goal is to get about to a level 8, just because I don't want to compromise the health of her hair, and I feel like if we get to a level 8, the purple will show, she will like it. If I try to get to a level 10, I feel like I could be over damaging, and of course I would watch the bleach and I would check it often, but just because her hair is curly, bleach does sometimes change or soften people's curl patterns, and of course we don't want that at all. And also just a friendly reminder to do hair treatments. There are so many that you can do. You can do some from home, you can buy some. It's always good to add moisture, to add nutrients into your hair. Just before services, after services, it just helps. You can definitely see a difference if you start to do them regularly. Your hair will appear shinier, will appear healthier. Also, don't forget to drink water, because water is so important for everything in your body, but especially your hair. Okay, so back to the video. As you guys can see, I just kept doing the same highlight technique all the way up. In the front, I did do some foil pieces around her hairline, and instead of doing only highlights, I did do some highlights and some slices to change up the placement just a little bit. I'll let you guys kind of enjoy and just watch until the end of the video. Me personally, I love watching the process of hair, so I know some people probably just want to watch and not hear me the whole video. So I'll jump back on towards the end of the video. After I foiled her whole head, I did let her sit, process. I rinsed her out, and then I put the purple color all over, let that process, rinsed that out, and then at the end we did straighten it. So you guys can just watch and enjoy until the end when I come back. So here is the after once I rinsed out her hair for the final time. By this point, the sun had set, so the shop is very dark. Makes the hair look a little darker, but towards the end, I do show some close-ups, and you can really see that purple color pop. Okay, so here is the before. Just a little reminder of how her hair looked like whenever we had started. And then here is her hair after. As you guys can see, that purple color just looks super, super pretty. I honestly think it looks really good with her dark color. They mix very pretty and it just gives it just like a midnight vibe. If you guys watched until the end of the video, I definitely appreciate it. You guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and follow me on my social medias. I will leave all of my info in the description. Thank you guys. Bye.